In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Humana Spending Account Card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to activate it, where you can shop, what you can buy, and how to keep track of your balance so every purchase goes smoothly. First, you'll need to activate your card. Look for the sticker on the front of the card and call the number listed there, or activate it through the Healthy Benefits Plus app. Activation is required before your first purchase, and it only takes a couple of minutes. Have your card handy so you can confirm the details the system asks for. Once you hear or see confirmation, your card is ready to use. After it's activated, you can use your card just like a debit or credit card at participating retailers, including large stores such as Walmart, CVS, and Walgreens. At checkout, swipe, insert, or tap your card and follow the prompts on the payment terminal. If you're buying both eligible and non-eligible items in the same trip, be prepared that you may need to pay for non-eligible items with a separate form of payment. Keeping your card at the front of your wallet and letting the cashier know you're using a benefits card can also help the process go faster. Now let's talk about what you can buy. Your card can be used on eligible items such as over-the-counter products, a variety of healthy foods, and depending on your specific plan, even certain approved bills. Plans can vary, so it's important to check your benefits to understand exactly what's covered. Not every item on the shelf will qualify, even if it seems similar. When in doubt, look for in-store signage that indicates eligible items, review your plan's list of approved products, or confirm in the app before you check out. This quick spot check can save you time at the register. Because eligibility can differ by plan, make sure the items you're purchasing are covered. If something isn't covered, your transaction may partially decline, and you'll be asked to pay the difference another way. Holding on to your receipt is a good habit, especially if you want to double-check what qualified. You can check your available balance anytime online at healthybenefitsplus.com/Humana or through the Healthy Benefits Plus app. It's a smart idea to check your balance before you shop so you know exactly how much you have to spend and to review recent transactions if anything looks unfamiliar. And that's it. You're all set to start using your Humana Spending Account Card with confidence. Activate, shop at participating retailers for eligible items, and keep an eye on your balance, and you'll get the most out of your benefits.